Keeping an eye on. Understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, keeping an eye on. Understanding these phrases is not just about knowing the words, but also about feeling the culture and context in which they're used. So, let's uncover the layers of meaning behind this phrase and see how it can be used in everyday conversations. Keeping an eye on is an idiomatic expression that means to watch someone or something carefully. It's about paying attention to something or someone to ensure that everything is going well or nothing wrong happens. It doesn't mean literally watching with your eye, but rather monitoring or being mindful of a situation. Understanding an idiom is much easier when you can see how it's used in everyday language. Here are some examples. 1. Parents often keep an eye on their children at the park to make sure they're safe. 2. In the office, the manager might ask you to keep an eye on the progress of a project. 3. Before leaving the house, you might ask your neighbor to keep an eye on your pet. These examples show that keeping an eye on can be used in various contexts, from personal safety to professional responsibilities. Now, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. Can you keep an eye on the oven while I answer the phone? The teacher is keeping an eye on the students during the test to prevent cheating. I've been keeping an eye on the weather forecast for our trip next week. Using the phrase in different tenses and contexts helps you get comfortable with its usage. Understanding phrases like keeping an eye on can add a natural and fluent tone to your English. It's not just about the words, but about connecting with the culture and nuances of the language. We hope this video helps you in keeping an eye on your language learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.